is debjoti and welcome back to It's Just Debjoti. So guys, in today's video I have written an essay on rainy season. As you all know, I live in India, so the essay is based on Indiatic climate. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Oh sorry, wait. So the thing that I wanna say, I made a mistake while writing the essay. So I will discuss about my mistake in the beginning of the video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video.
I'm tasting no tears, I'm fighting no fears, but still there's a hole in my heart. Not on my own, but I feel.
So guys, before starting the video, I wanna say that can you see this star mark? Actually, I forgot to write a line in here, so I made a star mark and I write the line at last of my essay. So after reading up to here, I will read the line first, then I will read from here again. So now let's start the video. Rainy season. There are many seasons in India, and rainy season is one of those seasons. This season starts June to September. In rainy season, rain occurs sometimes very heavy or medium or sometimes light, and thunderstorm and cold breeze also occur. In some places of India, flood also occur in rainy season due to very heavy rainfall. The river water overflow, and this made the flood happen. In this season, people used to wear raincoats and umbrella. In some places, water is lodged, and water booths are a must for those places. In this season, some flowers grow like hibiscus, lotus, jasmine, cosmos, and etc. Some fruits also grow like lychee, palm, peach, pear, etc. Some vegetables also grow like tomato, beans, radish, lady's finger, etc. But many vegetables also get damaged due to heavy rainfall. In this season, many insects can be seen, but children does enjoy this season very much, and I love this season very much. The end. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.